Hi everyone, my name is Harshal. In this video, we are going to talk about the Angular, or you can say the newer version of which is Angular CLI. So why this Angular was introduced? So whenever before that we are using the JavaScript. So basically the problem with the JavaScript is the syntax. The syntax is very lengthy. For single value, also you have to write a one-liner syntax or two-liner syntax for taking single value. And second major problem was the JavaScript is not so efficient for the single page application. Now, what is the single page application? Means the once you take the application, it is load the once in your browser, and then you can use and make the changes upon that particular single page which is load on your particular browser. So for that, your JavaScript was not so sufficient. So that in that particular case, Angular was introduced. It is the open source framework which is totally managed by the Google, and it is totally managed by the Google, totally managed by the Google, and it is totally dependent upon the TypeScript. And the TypeScript, it is built upon your particular JavaScript. So whenever the syntax of your TypeScript is very similar, and it is very easy to understand, and it is very simple to write, which make our development so fast. Whenever you write any query or logic into TypeScript, it internally converts into JavaScript and connect with the controller. So whenever we talk about the architecture of this particular Angular, the architecture of our Angular CLI is nothing but your have a controller, then your UI, which is your nothing but your viewer, then it have a model. Model is nothing but your logics, controller is the brain, and your particular view is nothing but the UI. How the data is going to be represented, the particular your data. So in this view, we are using this Angular. Angular will make the logic dependent upon the data. Suppose I have received the data, so which method has to be called, or what operation has to be done, and what going to be result will be written on the UI. It will totally dependent on your particular Angular. Angular is bind with the HTML structure. So it use the HTML structure with the data binding. So we will talk about some advantages. First is your data binding. It has a good data binding. It use the HTML and controller bind the data very in efficient way. Testing have some inbuilt features which is make your testing very easy. TypeScript, it uses TypeScript, which is very easy language to understand. Then we have some more advantages. Like it has a very simple, and it is very efficient, and the web development is very fast in particular Angular. So this is all about your Angular. Thank you so much.